Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Before I start the video, please subscribe my channel. Chalo ji, let's start the video. Today I am going to review two books of a very famous writer, Roald Dahl. The first Roald Dahl's book is the Twits and the second is the Giraffe and the Pelly and Me. Both books are illustrated by Quentin Blake. Children of age 7 to 10 years can easily enjoy these books. Now let's start with the book, The Twits. This book contains 29 hilarious episodes. In this book, Mr. and Mrs. Twit play some horrible tricks on each other. They never wash, they trap birds for bird pie, and they hate children. Together, they make the nastiest couple. Down in the garden, the Twits keep Muggleworm the monkey and his family locked in a cage. In this book, you will find out what brilliant trick the roly-poly bird and the Muggleworm monkeys think of for them. If you ask me, I like 3 episodes the most as they are hilarious. The Wormy Spaghetti, the 4 Little Sticky Boys and the Twits turned upside down. Now let's move on to the second book, The Giraffe and the Pelly and Me. In this book, you will find the giraffe with an incredible stretching neck, a pelican with a magical beak and a dancing monkey. In this book, Billy's biggest wish is to turn a weird old wooden house into a wonderful sweet shop. But then he finds a giraffe, a pelly and a monkey living inside. They're the ladderless window cleaning company. Who needs ladders when you have got a giraffe? They become best friends, and when they meet the richest man in all of England, there's a chance that Billy's dream just might come true. To know more, you have to read this book. I hope you like the video. If you want anything to be featured, please comment below. तो ये था आज का बुक ज्ञान. ना हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय.